Hi everyone. So today we are at a turning point in the finance and the banking sector. Leaders are making bold moves to innovate everything from the way we handle deposits to the process of giving out loans. This is all about using technology and smart thinking to improve how banks work and serve people better. So let's delve into some examples at the forefront of this change, which shows the potent impact of these initiatives. In the realm of deposits, imagine a future where predictive analytics and AI driven insights allow banks to customize interest rates and saving recommendations based on individual spending habits and financial goals. A revolutionary technologies can sift through millions of real time transactions, offering customers personalized saving strategies, thereby enhancing their economic well being and loyalty towards the institutions. Further, in case of unsecured lending, which is being transformed through cutting edge platforms that leverage alternate data points such as utility payments, rental history, and social media activities to assess creditworthiness. So, this democratizes access to financial services for the underbanked and open new customer segments for lenders. So, further, in case of secured lending, we see the advent of blockchain technology, which enables the creation of tamper proof records for property, significantly reduce fraud, and expedites the lending process. A main example is a platform that automates property valuation and legal checks, making the mortgage application process as easy as online shopping. Further, in case of the front back booking optimization, now employs sophisticated algorithms to dynamically adjust loan and deposit rates, optimizing customer satisfaction and bank profitability. So, this technology can forecast real time market changes and adapt product offer to stay competitive. So, when we further talk about offer optimization, imagine AI tools that can predict a customer's next financial needs with remarkable accuracy, whether it's a car loan or home improvement project or educational funding. So these tools then craft and present a timed offer, significantly improving conversion rates. So further, in case of intent identification, like in transaction banking, that has taken a quantum leap with intelligent relationship managers powered by AI, capable of interpreting a client's transaction pattern to forecast future banking needs, thereby nurturing a proactive banking service model. So, in case of wealth management, also, which is revolutionized through platforms offering holistical financial advice. So, these platforms combine robo advisory with human insights to provide tailored investment strategies. So, this includes using AI for portfolio optimization and automated trading, allowing investors to maximize returns while mitigating risk. So, on the technology and data front, banks are deploying advanced analytics and machine learning for real time fraud detection, significantly reduce the incidence of financial crime. So, one transformative initiative involves using anomaly detection algorithms that scrutinize transaction pattern, flagging suspicious activities long before they materialize into financial loss. So, in risk management, also, sophisticated models now forecast potential market disruptions and their impact on asset portfolio, which enables preemptive action to safeguard investments. So, for example, stress testing platform stimulates various economic scenarios to evaluate the resilience of financial portfolios using adverse conditions. So, when we consider the compliance with financial crime and AML regulations, technology is being leveraged to automate and enhance the efficiency of vigilance process. Know about your customers protocols now supported by AI-driven system that can swiftly analyze vast area of data to verify identities and flag potential risk. So these examples barely scratch the surface of ongoing transformation. So as we harness generative AI and other emerging technologies, their impact, whether low, medium, or high, is not just an augmentation of our current capabilities, but a complete reimagination of what's possible. So, in conclusion, as we navigate this era of unprecedented change, let us embrace these technologies with open mind and collaborative spirits. So, together we are not just adapting but setting the stage for a future that promises inclusivity, efficiency, and unimagined possibilities in finance and beyond. So thank you very much for your attention. May we all move together with courage and conviction in this transformative journey. Thank you very much.